So I'm going to show how to take this off, if you already have one on there, and then replace it with something different. Usually you'll find a place on the edge. It's real simple. Take it off. I would clean this with rubbing alcohol. There's no residue. There's a little bit, but not much. And then you just take this completely off. I like to line up the top part. This is going to be a little bit bigger than your actual lens. So line up that top part, stake it. And then rub it in. And then you're going to take your knife and just kind of be careful, go in that crack there. There's a crack here. Follow that line. And then there's a crack down here. You can leave it if you wanted to, or you can just go ahead and trim that out. And that's it. Thanks.